So everybody is able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the people who are logging through normal user, please log in through root and then with the password, and from here you can add a user. Uh, let's see which user I'm having here. Test. So if you want to add the user test in sudoers list, you need to add -ag space wheel test. Oh, sorry. Like this you need to add. I can open the man page of this, and which will show you what is the A. A is for append. What is G? It's a small g. G is capital G. So we wanted to add it to this group. Wheel group is a group where you can add or remove any user into a pseudo list. There are another way also to do. So let me log in through test. If you want to switch from one user to another user, you can switch from here. So let's see if I want to add. We have seen. Let me exit from this. Let me be in the root, and then let me try to remove user mode. Then -d space user was test, group was wheel. Uh-oh. And test is test and wheel. Okay, I think I have mentioned wrongly. Hmm.
The screen is not visible, sir.
My screen is not visible. This black screen is not visible to anybody.
I got only black screen.
So whatever
Sir,
I'm typing, it's
visible.
not with.
It's
Whatever I'm
clear,
typing,
sir.
it.
It's
It's
clear.
clear, sir. We are able to see.
Mhm. So I'm typing something, so you should be able to see because I'm not showing anything graphically here. So what happened here is I have deleted the user itself. Let me see if home folder is still there. User add test already exists. Okay. Mm, it has been removed from that group. So let me add again. Ag command. It again shows permission denied. I need to see what has happened to this group. So anyways, what I was showing is, first of all, uh, user mode hyphen ag wheel is a group, test is a user. So in wheel group, you are required to add this test group so that it gains your sudo permission. And after getting sudo permission to this group, you are required to use sudo from this group. So you can switch back to this group, either login from after exiting from this route, or you can log in directly, or you can type su and then username, which it will switch you back to the username. In my case, it's not happening because I have modified some of the files, so I'll see. So you can switch back and you can perform your work. So there are two things why we require sudo user. The motive, what is the motive behind that, getting the sudo user? So let's say you are an admin, you are in a root user, and another person is also coming, and you are creating a user for that another person. And after some point of time, that user became an admin, and you need to give that user also admin permission. So in that case, definitely you are required to give him admin privileges so that he can be an admin and perform the all admin operations. Okay, so for that you need to run the command user mode hyphen a hyphen g, then wheel, and then test. That is one thing. That's one way. And another way of doing the same thing is vi slash etc slash password, no, sudoers. Let me see if I can, if I want to zoom it here. This must be quite small, correct? Okay, let me switch back to, I'm just getting the IP so that I can switch back to putty, and there I can increase the font. 57. Okay. It's visible now. It's visible now.
Yes, sir.
So vi etc sudoers. This is the file where your name is required to be there. This is a sudoers file where it's complaining. So another way of adding your name into sudoers list is this. This is the percent wheel you can see. Allow people in the group wheel to run all commands. This is what the meaning of this. So you are required to add here, not here. You are required to add here your name. Let's say if you want to add test, all equals to all in the same format, all. This is how you are required to add. After adding, it was asking that I'm modifying a read-only file. So in that case, I will need to add WQ and then one exclamatory symbol. I mean shift one. Then all it's going to write in this file. So if you want to switch to test, and if you want to add something, or if you want to do using sudo, you will be able to do that. Okay, so that is one thing. I do have another user. Let me see if I'm able to run sudo command through plessy sudo space password root. Okay, I'm able to run sudo from this root as from the blessy user. So I can use this group command, and I can you give the username. It will show me. It's the command is groups. It will show me which are all group this blessy user has been associated with. So this is the user blessy, which is associated with one group, its own blessy, and the wheel group. So if it's added in wheel group, it means we will be able to run any command using sudo after logging in into the blessy user. I hope this is clear how to add a user into sudoers list, or how to make a user root. So we might have seen, or somebody might have seen, there are two commands, user add or add user. Both will give you the same output because both commands are same. Both are used to add the user in Linux. So if you want to add a user in Linux, you can use this command user add or add user, and then you can add a user. User add, let's say, who is the first person today? Lalita. Lalita permission denied. Okay, so because I'm not an admin, so I am an admin, but I need to perform admin commands using sudo. I'm able to add user after sudo. Sudo passwd space Lalita. I need to give password. It's updated. You can see that inside home, the Lalita folder has also been created. If I want to log in, SULALITHA, it's asking for password. You can see that I have logged in into Lalita. Okay, and if I want to change the, if I want to run sudo here, sudo, let's say dh client hyphen v eth 0. Password for Lalita, I'm giving the password. It's going to complain Lalita is not in sudoers file list. This incident will be reported. It means I have tried to run an admin command being a not admin. So I'm not an admin, but still I'm trying to run. So it is going to report this. So how to resolve this issue? For you it is a issue, but for normal user this is not an issue. Normal user should not have a sudo permission. Okay. So for you, how to resolve? You need to go back to admin user or log in through root. I have logged in through root, and then I need to add user mode hyphen a g. User mode is a command to modify the existing user. A is used to append the permissions, whatever we wanted to append, and G is for group. We wanted to do something with the group. What we wanted to do with the group is we wanted to add this user into this group, wheel group. That's what we wanted, and this is a command syntax. So if you enter, it will do things, and then let's see if you're switching back here again from from root to Lalita, and then if you try to run this command again, it will not complain about. It will not give this error. You are not in sudoers list. It's asking for the password, and you can see that it's rather than giving error, it shows that DH client is already running, exiting. Yeah, obviously it will be running because I have run it, but you can see that it did not give the error. So everybody knows about how to add a user, how to add a user in group, how to check what is a group. Okay. Now next thing is I'll finish this next thing is in 5 minutes. Next thing is VI editor. Mm, okay. There are two things. I have done ls. This is the username. Please get to know about the syntax, what it's showing. This is the username, this is the host name, and this is the folder where you are currently. This is called a prompt. Okay, the whole thing called a prompt. So in this there are three parts. First one is your username, second one is your host name or the computer name you can say, third one is your directory. You can see that I have created a directory and I have gone into this directory. It started showing testing one. And this mkdir is command for creating a directory. I've gone into testing 2. Now it's started showing testing 2. And if you want to know that what is your current directory, it will this part will show the last directory where you are into currently. And if you want to know from starting where you are currently, then you need to type pwd, present working directory. It will show that this is your actual directory in which you are currently. Home, Lalita, testing 1 and then testing 2. pwd is a command which stands for present working directory. Okay, so I was telling about, okay, why I have permission denied here, because I am into Lalita user and I'm trying to access. You can see that when I have done pwd, it shows me root. So I'm trying to access slash root directory, which is not permissible. So I will have only permission of my directory. I will not have any permission default to another directory or to another person's directory. Let's see if I'm trying to see ls lalit ls home blessy. Here also you see the permission denied because blessy is another user, lalita is another user, and root is another user. But since root is super user, you will be able to do. But what if I am an admin and if I want to uh, check the file using root user? Okay, let me try with two things. I will switch back to root. Okay, now you can see that I have logged in through root. And now if I want to try to see home, then blessy, I am able to see that it did not give me the error permission denied. Home and then Lalita, it gave me this because testing one directory was already there. So through root user, whatever you wanted to do, you can do. Okay. Now we are into user Lalita. Let's say if I want to do the same thing using sudo, whether we will be able to do or not. Home. Let's see. You can see that I'm able to. It did not throw any error like permission denied. So I can run all the admin commands using sudo. So ls is not an admin command, but using ls you are trying to see somebody else's directory. So only a root user or only an admin can have privilege. So how you can run this command as an admin? By using sudo. I hope it's clear to everyone. Anybody has any doubt in this? You can think of if you have any doubt. So for that, for some time, 1 or 2 minutes, I'm going to mark the attendance.
Hello.
Yes, Anil City. Yeah, Shiva
Sir, could you
Kumar.
please share today? Sir, could you please share
Mhm.
today recorded video?
Yes, sir, I will share. I need to modify because I just don't want to add the previous things.
Yes, sir.
Previous things means like the doubt
Previous classes.
question session, question and
Okay.
answer sessions. So I need
Okay,
to
sir.
modify the video and then I'll upload.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Prasanna Kumar present. Thanesha absent it seems. Okay, absent. Prasad absent or present? Okay, absent. Venkata Surendra is also absent. Prasanna Kumar, there are two times Prasanna Kumar.
Hello, sir. Venkat Surendra. I'm here.
Okay, fine, thank you. Prasanna Kumar, why it is two times? Okay, I'll see why it's two times. Rahul Verma, we don't have Rahul Verma today. Absent. Mallikarjun, absent. Ravindra Verma is absent. Ravindra Verma is here. Yeah, yeah, I see you. Yeah, thank you. Ani is also here. Akhil is also here. Sai Kiran is absent. Okay. Swati seems to be absent. Prithvi
Yes, sir.
present. Yeah. Darshan absent. Sai Chiru is absent. Surachari is present. I don't see Suraj. Where are you? You left for a couple of minutes and then left. Suraj, are you there? Okay. Prefer to be absent. Let it be. Ravi present. Sunil present. Venkateshwaralu is present. So I'll repeat the absent persons. If you think your name is there, you can say I'll mark present. Except all of you are marked as present. So let me repeat the people who are all absent. Tanisha is absent. Prasad is absent. Rahul Verma is absent. Mallikarjun is absent. Sai Kiran is absent. Swati is absent. Darshan, Sai Chiru, and Suraj. These three are absent, and that's it. Remaining are present. So if nobody has any doubt in this session, we can wrap up. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your time.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Prasanna.
sir, actually, I followed the July videos
Mm-hmm.
and for fifth videos, but
Mm-hmm.
you have to mention the June 7 to 8 videos, which batch I will follow the 7 to 8 batch.
You can follow any of those videos. In both the videos or both the classes, you will be able to find out same content. But in some video, I might have taught something before and something later, some topics later, and some of the videos of June or July batch. So only the topic is going to be in first or second lecture or second or first lecture. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
you,
Thank you, sir.
whatever you feel, if you feel that July is very much convenient to understand, not June, go ahead with July. If you see
Okay,
that
sir.
June is very much good, you can go ahead with June. But I will say that June video is the complete video. In July, you will not be able to find out complete videos. Okay, for some topic, if you want to go to June, sorry, to July videos, you can go. But June videos are
Oh,
the complete set of lectures.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.